is Wei Chang and I'm the captain of the JWSS boys badminton team. Today, I'm here to share with you what our CCA is all about. For our training, we usually start with a warm-up and then some physical conditioning to strengthen ourselves as badminton players. Some movements that we focus on are side hops as well as V shuffles. Beyond that, we do a little team bonding time to time as we participate in tough training sessions together.
Hello, my name is Gautam.
And my name is Chang Hong.
We are the vice captains of JWSS Badminton Boys team. During training, we focus a lot on racket movements and footwork, and our coach usually asks us to practice a series of shadow footwork drills. This helps us to better understand and master the basic movements involved in badminton.
Our coach also gets us to pair up so that we can help each other better master our strokes. In doing so, he can keep us engaged while helping us individually.
Besides strokes, our coach also teaches us tactics such as rotational sequence in doubles, where there is a need to move with our partner and react to any shuttles coming our way, which is important in basic defense in badminton.
Before the training ends, we would play matches to improve our game sense. We will also play against our coach so as to test and push ourselves to the limit.
Hi, if you like what you heard and saw, do join us. If you have any questions, you can look for our CCA teacher in charge, Mr. Lim, and drop him an email here. After this video, you can go watch our National School Games highlight video. And thank you and see you.